Hi, this is Poonam Sharma and welcome to Sadbhavna News. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways issued a notification on Friday making it mandatory for new models to have dual airbags installed in them for the safety of passengers. The new models of car will have to adhere to this norm from April 1st, 2021 onwards. The centre has given time till August 31st, 2021 for dual airbag installation in older models. This move is expected to increase car prices in the range of Rs 5,000 to Rs 7,000 on average. Till now, only the driver's seat airbag was mandatory for all cars. This left the passenger sitting in the front seat completely vulnerable to severe injury or even death in case the car met with an accident. Since July 2019, airbags for the driver's seat in the front row have been mandatory. The centre has now made it mandatory for cars to have an airbag installed for the passenger side as well. It has been mandated that the vehicles manufactured on or after April 1st, 2021 in the case of new models and August 31st, 2021 in the case of existing models shall be fitted with airbag for the person occupying the front seat other than the driver, says the notification. The mandate is based on the suggestions of Supreme Court Committee on Road Safety. Airbags inflate extremely quickly upon collision and then deflate, cushioning the below to passengers if the vehicle suddenly comes to a stop. Airbags are known to increase the chances of survival during accidents. Earlier in December, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways had proposed making it compulsory for cars to have airbags installed on the passenger side of the front seat. In a draft notification issued on December 29th, the centre had stated that it wanted to implement this norm from April 1st, 2021 for new models of cars, while for existing models the compliance date was June 1st, 2021. Till now, life-saving airbags were not mandatory, whereas low-cost inclusions such as speed alert, reverse parking sensors and seat belt reminders had become standard features in most cars over the years. Powered by Arthros Clinic, a dedicated center for arthroscopy and sports injuries.